Imagine a world where the roar of an engine is replaced by a gentle hum, where the smoggy veil lifted from urban landscapes reveals clear blue skies, a world rapidly being shaped by electric vehicles, or EVs. It's not just about swapping gas pumps for charging stations, it's a revolution that's steering us towards a sustainable and exhilarating future. As electric vehicles quietly accelerate into the mainstream, their impact resonates far beyond quieter streets, spanning environmental, technological, and economic domains.
Battery technology, the lifeblood of electric vehicles, is witnessing a surge of innovation that promises to reshape transportation. For years, the main hurdle to widespread EV adoption was the dreaded range anxiety, fear that the vehicle would not have enough juice to reach its destination. Thanks to cutting-edge advancements in battery composition and structure, modern EVs now confidently promise ranges that rival, and sometimes surpass, their fossil-fueled counterparts.
Engineers and scientists around the globe are pushing the limits of lithium-ion technology while exploring alternative materials like solid-state batteries that offer greater energy density and safety. These leaps in technology are not just technical triumphs, but are paving the way for more sustainable resource usage and less environmental impact. This ongoing evolution in battery tech is crucial as it also impacts the vehicle's weight, cost, and charging speed, factors essential in the consumer's decision-making process. The race towards faster charging times alongside the expansion of charging infrastructure is vital in convincing the last skeptics.
Regenerative braking is one of those fascinating features of electric vehicles that magic kinetic energy back into electrical energy every time the driver hits the brakes. Instead of entirely dissipating as heat, as in conventional vehicles, the energy generated during braking is captured and used to recharge the EV's battery, significantly enhancing efficiency and range.
This technology not only underscores EV's ability to think and adapt, but is also a stark example of how EV technology harvests every possible resource. It's a central piece of the EV puzzle, embodying the broader concept of sustainability by actively reducing waste, a principle that could be applied more broadly in tackling global environmental challenges. Further refining this technology could lead to even greater efficiencies and make electric vehicles even more attractive to consumers who are wary of the potential higher upfront costs of EVs. It's a tech that promises to keep giving back as it develops. Autonomous and electric, the dual revolution. As we cruise into the future, electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology are increasingly viewed as two sides of the same coin.
The integration of these technologies is speculated to lead to safer, more efficient roads, with fewer emissions and reduced traffic congestion. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are at the forefront, pushing the envelope on what's possible with electric power combined with advanced machine learning, algorithms, and sensors.
The integration promises not only ease of travel, but also significant environmental benefits. Think decreased idle times and optimized driving patterns that conserve energy. Yet the road to autonomous EVs is fraught with technical, regulatory, and ethical challenges.
The technology's potential to reshape transportation into an entirely low-touch, efficiently shared resource is immense, offering a glimpse into a radically different automotive future.
Economic shifts, costs, savings, and markets. Transitioning to electric vehicles isn't just a technological shift, it's an economic revolution.
Initially, EVs may pose higher upfront costs compared to traditional vehicles. However, the economic narrative shifts considerably when considering long-term savings on fuel and maintenance.
Governments and corporations worldwide are aligning to support the electric transition through subsidies, tax breaks, and investments in charging infrastructures, thereby nudging the market towards greater adoption.
The job market is also adapting, with a rising demand for EV-specific roles, from engineering to software development. The economics of electric vehicles will continue to evolve as technology advances and as scale is achieved.
With every technological tweak and market adaptation, EVs become more accessible and financially appealing to a broader audience. Voices from the EV community, real stories of transition. Behind every statistic about electric vehicles are personal stories and lived experiences.
From first-time EV owners to tech enthusiasts who've been in the scene since its inception, individual narratives enrich our understanding of the electric revolution.
Listening to these experiences unveils the nuanced spectrum of challenges and victories faced by early adopters, from grappling with sparse rural charging networks to the joy of a near-silent, smooth ride.
These stories not only highlight the practical realities of living with an EV, but also humanize the technological and economic data, grounding it in everyday reality.
By weaving together these voices, we better grasp the transformative impact of electric vehicles and how they are actively sculpting a more sustainable, efficient, and exciting world.